Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to show you how to make thousands of dollars of sales with Warrior Plus products. So I'm live here in my account. I'm just going to click on all time and show you the complete history since I started my Warrior Plus journey. So you'll see we're still live in the account here. And we're just concerned here with 3 columns. Let's get a little pencil out and show you. So the sales here, when I mentioned making thousands of dollars in sales, you'll see the product sales here that I've sold now come to $36,988.07. The commissions that I've earned from those sales are now at $18,872.74. And I want to show you, I promote with free traffic predominantly with these products. So the majority of that 18,000 is profit. And that's the key thing with affiliate marketing. I want to show you how to get into profit and stay in profit. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll see that I've sold 3,911 products. So a bit later on in the video, I'm going to show you how you can promote one link, just one link, and you can earn multiple commissions, make multiple sales promoting one link. We'll just delete that. I'm going to come back to this a bit later on and show you some more reasons why this works. And more importantly in this video, I want to show you how you can get started today for $5. There'll be joining links in the description. I might want some more information. So $5 is how I started my Warrior Plus journey. And there's several reasons why everything works here. One of those is that these products are in an evergreen niche, and that evergreen niche is traffic. So everyone has to buy traffic to succeed online. You can do so much with free traffic, but people are buying traffic to speed up the process of especially automation as well. It's autopilot traffic, but it's also buyer's traffic. Now, buyer's traffic is the best traffic you can use to promote your offer with, because research shows that buyers buy over and over again, and buyers are serious about scaling up, buying more traffic. I buy traffic every single month, so you'll find that people are always looking for good quality traffic. And I recommend that you do that, because you can get your traffic for free as an affiliate and get into profit as well. But as a minimum, I'd recommend promoting and getting your traffic for free, your paid traffic. You can earn high-ticket affiliate commissions up to $850 with these Warrior Plus traffic offers. And I've written here that there's no need to buy. Now, what that means is you don't have to pay the high-ticket price to earn the high-ticket affiliate commissions. This is one of the superb features that I really like about the Warrior Plus products. I'll show you a bit later on the video how that works. Another great feature is that with these offers, you're going to be able to build your own buyers list. Now, the way that works is you'll put your lead capture page into the systems, but buyers, the members are already buyers that are going to be looking at your lead capture page. So when they opt into your lead capture page, you start to build a buyers list. And that's the best asset you can have online. Because when you've got a buyers list, you can promote additional offers to real proven buyers and potentially make more sales from that list. My goal is to teach you how to get in profit, but not just get in profit, stay in profit every single month. And that's the most important thing about affiliate marketing, not getting into loads of debt. We're going to start you on low ticket affiliate marketing for $5 and then teach you how to get in profit. First of all, get you in profit, but then keep you in profit as well. Now, we've got some free tools and done for you systems that are going to help you succeed. They're proven to work. myself and our team use these systems, and by using these systems and setting them up, you can earn additional income streams on top of the Warrior Plus commissions that I'm sharing with you today. I'll show you a bit of real proof later on of the potential of that. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims, product claims, excuse me, or any guarantees in this video. This video is for educational purposes only. So let's have a look now at a couple of reasons why this works. So first of all, as an affiliate. So what happens is, if you look down the right hand side down here, you'll see a circular arrow, and it says recurring payment number 13. So this member has been paying their monthly membership every single month for 13 months in a row. So you'll see there's a high retention of members that are happy members, getting good quality traffic, but also probably becoming affiliates and staying long-term members. And then you've got one here, 6 months. Further down here, let's have a look at some more here. 6 months in a row, 9 months in a row, 26 months in a row. So they've been paying for over 2 years. 41 months in a row, 15 months in a row, over 2 years, 28 months. They're quite new. But all of these circular arrows down here are all, once you get 2 referrals, it's profit after that. So you can see the profit that's coming in every single month. Excuse me. So that's how the monthly membership subscription works. And I said, I do recommend as an absolute minimum, just getting at least a couple of referrals and getting your traffic for free as well. Now let's have a look at the higher ticket affiliate commissions here. So I'm using as an example, the top left hand corner, it says the all new click generator. Now you'll see the click generator on that previous page I showed you here. You'll see it here, the all new click generator here. Oops. And you'll see some of the higher ticket commissions coming in here, one at $35 there, $16 commission. That's a monthly recurring commission there. So this is an example of the click generator. So when you join, if you look in the top left hand corner, it says your affiliate link is. So when you join and become a member, you get automatically approved and you get your affiliate link to promote. Now written here on the right, you earn higher ticket affiliate commissions, in this case of the click generator, up to $850 when your referrals upgrade. You don't have to upgrade yourself to earn the higher ticket affiliate commissions. So you can join for $5 a month, and then if any of your referrals buy any of these products down the left hand side here, you'll see there's lots of traffic in here as well. There's upgrades for traffic, upgrades for additional slots here, upgrades for systems here, yearly upgrades, and then you would earn these commissions in the right hand column down here. This is your commission column. Now you'll see $600 one-time payment, $850 one-time payment. That one I just showed you there is a recurring payment. I just showed you that additional slot there. That's a $17.50 recurring payment, 50%. So this is one of the superb features of Warrior Plus, that you don't have to upgrade to earn these commissions. And if you watch my videos and you follow me on my channel, I have shown lots of previous proof of multiple sales in one day with traffic products. So that's how that works. You're going to get your link, you can promote it. I'm going to give you a system here that you can use. That's the wrong page. Let's get rid of that. We've got success systems for these products. We've created success systems for each and every one for you. The links will be in the description. And all you do is set these systems up. Really simple, is follow these video tutorials down here. And then you can clone this system and all of these systems for free, totally free, not going to cost you a penny ever. Now we do all the selling and telling on the videos here. You'll see with an example here, the click engine, I've turned a $5 product a month into nearly $4,000 of commissions. So these systems work if you just take your time to set them up. If you want to join the click engine, you'll click there to join, but then your affiliate link will go into that button there, and you're going to earn the commissions. And you join through Leads Leap. So you join Leads Leap here. You set up a free lifetime membership, and you're going to get all these traffic and all these tools totally free for life. The value is absolutely insane what you're going to get. And then what you do is you come back over here when you've joined Leads Leap, and all you do is copy and paste these codes into Leads Leap, and you can set your system up. It's really beginner friendly. Just follow the videos down here, and I teach you how to do it step by step. And once you set it up once, it's set up for life, and you just promote one link. So it's really simple. It's really beginner friendly. And then what happens is when your referrals click here to join Leads Leap, your affiliate link will be in this button. Now let me show you the potential of affiliate commissions you can earn with Leads Leap. You'll see here on my dashboard, just refresh that here. You'll see here that my total income for Leads Leap in affiliate commissions is $3,756. Now I've earned that through promoting these Warrior Plus systems and setting up other systems, but as a free member here, forever free, not a trial, you come down here and you go under affiliate commissions. You will earn 25% recurring commissions when your direct referrals upgrade to Pro. So that's how, when I mentioned over here, I mentioned about getting you into profit and staying in profit every month. You can do that with this just one income stream here of Leads Leap, because you're going to be on a free platform, free program, free membership, and you're going to earn 25% recurring commission, and that's every single month. Every single month, that'll be profit for you. And then what I recommend you do, you come over here to the right-hand side and you upgrade. Once you get into profit and you can reinvest some commissions, then you get 50% recurring commission, and you get automated traffic and automated email follow-ups. But you can set these systems up with the free account, and you can earn commissions with the free account. Now this page here is a 7 income stream page, because what I've also done, I've put best free traffic sources here to promote Click Engine. So you just join all these for free, and you're going to get credits, and you can promote Click Engine and potentially get some affiliate commissions. And when you put your affiliate links into here, into these buttons, then anybody upgrades, you will earn profit, even as a free member. So this now becomes a 7 income stream page, 7 buttons on here that you can earn commissions from, and 6 of those are free. So we'll give you everything we need, everything you need to succeed, everything we personally use ourselves, and that's how everything works. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money on live videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my uploads here on my channel. I'm currently doing 7 new uploads every week, and if you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those for you. And I always have my email address in the description if you do want to contact me. I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.